Well, g'day, model railroaders. Rapido in the turbo train. Well, I got one. Got it out of the package. How do you put this thing together? Wow. Well, I suggest if you do got one, you check out Rapido's YouTube channel and they'll show you how to put it together. And it looks really easy when they do it. So in this video, and I don't know how this video is going to turn out, I'm going to put mine together. Just let the camera go and see how long it takes to put a turbo train together and get it ready to run on the tracks. All right, guys. Like I said, I don't know what this video is going to turn out like. Might be a long one. Or if I do it like Rapido, it's only going to take me a couple minutes to put this thing together. Awesome. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so what do you got to do to get this turbo train together? There's the front of it, then the next car, and on the bottom, they are numbered. There's number 2. Tells you where the front is. And you see that little lift ring right there. Kind of, sort of see it? Yeah. So those bars got to go into those little lift rings, and then you got to plug the 2 cars together. They just snap together. All right, let's give this a shot. We got the lead unit, coach number 1, coach number 2, 3, and then the trailing unit. All right, how long is this thing gonna take? Any bets? Put this together for a guy that's gotta wear glasses to read. So those little eye holes, whatever they are, might be hard to get to. There's one on each side. So you really, it's gonna be fun. Hold on, let's do this. Okay guys, so I'm half blind. Need the optimizer for this one, trust me. That, and you wear glasses and turn your head upside down, your glasses tend to fall off your eyeballs. So this thing might come in handy. Anyway, let's see how long this takes me to get together. Maybe. Wow. All right, this side's on. Does the other side stay on? No, of course it didn't. All right. So note to oneself, start with this side first. And it's supposed to just plug in. Why does that feel so hard? Right in the center. Ah! There, that's in. And come on now. That one's in, and this one fell out. Alright, it's in. It's not in. Uh-huh. Alright. Wow. This is fun. Okay. This side's in. You know what? Right like that. No. There. Okay. Come on. Okay. Other side's in. Okay, I can see how this can get very frustrating very quickly. Okay, that side's in. That side's in. I had this. There we go. In. First card's done. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, next one. We'll start with this side first. Ooh, that slid right in there. Oh yeah. That slid right in there. All right. They just... Okay. All right. All right, moving right along. Kind of easier to do this side first. Kind of thought it would be the other way around. All right, so that's in. That one's in. Oh yeah. All right. How are we doing here? Oh, off the tracks. Okay. And the last power unit. Now this has quite a bit of weight to the front of it. Might be a little harder, might be easier, I don't know. Come on, in the hole. Oh, so close. Still all over here. Yep. All right. Okay, in the hole. In the hole. Come on. On the tracks. Snap together. Okay. Uh-huh. There, might be all right. Well, it didn't take me as long as I thought it was going to take me, but it did take a while. Make sure it's on the tracks first. All right, guys. Well, it didn't take too long. Brake sounds kind of cool. Yeah, it doesn't like you. Come on. She's picky anyway. For some reason, this unit's got no power. Anyway, we got it on the tracks. I'm going to figure out why this one doesn't have any power. And then go from there. But you guys got to see how much of a hassle it was to put it together, which, if you got optimizers, great. If you wear glasses. Like I said, you look down and then your glasses do one of these on you. Doesn't really help you, right? So, figure this out. Put the diaphragms on. Pretty sure I know why this one's, it just keeps jumping off the tracks. Again, these are very light cars, so I don't know. We'll figure it out, see? It's like that one's even missing a wheel or something. It's like, doesn't go on the tracks whatsoever. Huh. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Okay, guys, that was just a quick video, or not so quick video, depending on how you look at it. Well, if you skip forward in it, it was quick. If you watch the whole thing, maybe not. So anyway, the one car that was having problems, the wheels were out of gauge. Actually, they're still out of gauge because they fall apart real easy. There's nothing, there's no way really to fix them. So anyway, that's one problem, wheels out of gauge. Second problem I got now is my power car on the end of the train has no power. So I don't know, I gotta mess around with that. Nothing in the manual that says how to take them apart. I don't want to start really horsing around with it. So contact OVR and see what they say about it anyway. And anyway, short video, how to put the Rapido train back together, or together, and put it on the tracks in real time for somebody with bad eyes. I don't know. Anyway, that's it for me. We won't be seeing the Amtrak Rapido train run yet until I get the issues fixed. But, hey, 50-50, my CN one works good. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later on. I've tried to shoot this part of the video 5 times now, and it's just one of those videos, how do you not make it sound really bad? So, and it was just supposed to be a video on how to put it together. And then things just don't, they just don't work. Rapido. Yeah. All right. I got nothing else to say about it, guys. Rapido turbo train looks awesome. I think I need a bigger shelf. Should I have said that? Okay, bye.